In this lesson, I will explain to you some new features of Paste Special. So I have copied the Paste Special window for you. So on the right hand side, we have different functions, means all using source theme, all except borders and so on. So we will discuss these functions in today's lesson. So this is our same table which we had used in our last lesson as well. So suppose if you want to copy the exact theme, right, exact formatting, numbers and everything, whatever we do, copy and paste, same function you can do with the help of all using source theme. So here, and then clipboard group, copy, and where you want to paste, I said here, open this paste option, paste is special, and the first one is all using source theme, and okay. When you will click OK, you will see exactly same table we have. If you will see, click on the first table, we have the formula here. On the second table, we have the formula here. Exactly the same thing, right? Okay, second is all except border. Sometimes we do not want border. I said I only need the data. So you have to select this. Now we are going to use the second method. Right click, copy. Where you want to paste, I said here. Right click, paste special, and accept all borders. Click here. You will see we have the data, but we do not have the we do not have the border here, right? So second function is also clear. Now our third function is very important, column width. So I will show you what is the meaning of this. Suppose I am decreasing the width of these two columns, so you can see easily that these widths are less than the other widths, right? If you want to copy exactly the same width, then you have to use the column width function. You have to select first. This time I am not using this copy or right click copy, but I am using Control C with the help of keyboard. It is copy. Now where you want to paste, I said I want to paste it here. So Control Alt and V to open the paste special window with the help of keyboard. You can use this Control plus Alt plus V together. So this time I said control width, column width. When I will click here and OK, so you will see now these two column has the same width according to our original table, right? Okay, so I am going to undo it this now. And our fourth is formulas and number formats. See, here is the formula, here is the formula. So if you want to see the formulas only, not the formatting, so what you have to do, select it, copy. Where you want to paste, I said here. This time I said okay, right click. I will try to show you different methods. So formulas and numbers formats, click here. When you will see here, formulas are here, but we do not have these formatting, right? Now sometimes it happens that we need only the values. So these are the formulas. We do not want formulas. If someone will ask you, okay, kill the formula, we do not want. So what you have to do is very easy. Select this, copy, right? And then right click again. We are using paste special here. Sorry, first you have to select where you want to. I said here, and then paste special, and then values, right? Second last, values and number formats, click here. Now you can see we have the exact same values, but here we do not have the formulas. If you will click formulas and number, then we do not have the formatting, only the formulas are there. But if you will click on values and number formats, again we do not have the format, but we have the values only, not the formula. And the last one is again very interesting. It is all merging conditional formats. What is the meaning of it? See here, I have applied conditional formatting. The vehicle or cars which are greater than 20,000, the color should be red. And where I have used this feature from the conditional, go to the conditional formatting, highlight cells rule. I said greater than, open this greater than, and here I have mentioned 20,000. And this is the conditional formatting. I say I want to copy exact the same table with the conditional formatting as well, so you have to use the last option. Select this, copy. Where you want to paste it, here open this arrow, paste special, and the right one, last one, all merging conditional formats, click here. You can see our conditional formatting is also there, right? So how simple this lesson is. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.